And
Uh,
I really think na join the rallies but don't go to the campaigns.
the
Don't go to
kakam
EDSA. I posted it already. I said
Don't
it.
go to EDSA.
Yeah.
Mm.
Wag
Kasi
yan.
EDSA
Tapos ng
ang
EDSA. EDSA is over. EDSA is done. The new
mm,
the new beginning doesn't begin in EDSA.
mm,
Mm.
Wala na yan. EDSA is like done deal, over. Wala na. It's passé. EDSA failed the Filipino people twice. So it's
oo,
now up to
yeah.
the Filipino people to find a new beginning. Because kung
correct.
babalik ulit tayo sa EDSA, uulitin uli natin ang karma. Ang karmang
Mm,
dala ng EDSA.
correct.
Mm.
Kaya go to Camp Aguinaldo and make it easier for the men in uniform to make a decision. Go there. Go to Camp
Okay.
Aguinaldo and
That's
make
it.
the men in
I'm gonna
Mm.
post something about it. Tomorrow,
Mm.
I'm gonna post na dapat Camp Aguinaldo. Wag na kayong pumunta ng EDSA. I have nothing against people in the spectrum, pero wag kayong magpagoyo, magpauto sa pretentious na mongoloid. Kaya magpakita kayo dun sa sa Camp Aguinaldo, dun kayo pumunta, wag sa EDSA.
Dun tayo.
Yeah.
Ay,
Ayun. So,
okay.